Dear students, in this unit, we will talk about flower pollination in plants. Now, before pollination can occur, pollen grain must travel from anther, where they are born, to the stigma. Now, pollination is actually the transfer of pollens from the male part or to the female part to the stigma. Now, plants are self-pollinated if pollination occurs within the same flower or a different flower of the same plant. But in the cross-pollination, the grains or the pollen grains are transferred from one flower to the another flower of the same species but not the same plant. This is known as cross-pollinations. Flowering plants accomplish pollination in a variety of ways. They can use different means to transfer that pollens from the male part to the female part of the flower through many other ways, including beetles, bees, flies, butterflies, moths, wasps, and other insects which help these flowers in pollination. Other animals such as birds, bats, snails, and small non-flying mammals, including rodents, even humans, can also help in the pollination of plants. Wind is an agent of pollination for certain flowers. Even in some flowers, water acts as the transport of pollen from one place to the other. These plants have evolved a variety of mechanisms that prevent self-pollination and thus prevent inbreeding, which is the mating of genetically similar individuals. By reducing this self-pollination, they increase their chances of genetic diversity, which is important for the survival of organisms.